biggest benefit of taking an actual workshop is that you have the opportunity to talk with your instructor, explain something very clearly in the way you write your code as well. And that's something you just don't get online courses.
I really like that personal aspect that you have with these kinds of workshops. And what I especially appreciate is that moment when you see it tick, when like somebody understands what you explain to them, that aha moment, that click moment. That's really the nice part that I really love in these workshops.
It's great that you can come to like quite a small event like this, and then like it feels more personal. The workshops were also quite small, so it was like very easy to interact with other students and also the facilitator.
Oh, I love the food. The food was really, really good today, and also the entire setup.
I'm Cassie. I'm doing a workshop on SVG animation, which is super exciting because it's actually my hobby. It's like what I do in my spare time. I just love it. It's my passion. Being able to teach people something and having them go away and like put their talents in with that, you just end up with all of this, yeah, just amazing things.